Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Siloni. Now, Siloni explains that she was molested when she was 12 years old, and her daughter was molested at 12 too by the same man, and this was by her father allegedly. So go ahead and check out the video, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know.
9:30, so 8:30 I leave. So I just feel like I just share look with you. You understand? I not have enough charge, so I just get to the point. Sorry. I full my belly full, man. Doing send $50 for me. So my belly well full. Eat a healthy breakfast. Oh, run up in that one here. Run out. One there. Full up the live here for me now. This one more people. Come on. Hurry up, no man. Hurry up. Remember me have my appointment and me have to leave out now. Full up the live here for me now, please, and thanks. One there. Collect nobody no wake up. I don't gonna work. I don't know where to work. I first made one man in life, you know. Come now, guys, come full up the live for me now. Me not start it, you know, until me get it. 200 people come on. 200 down, you know. Just that 6. 200 people come on. Please and thanks. Full up the live for me now. One more jump on. Full up the live for me now. Important something I gotta say talk to you about, you know. Me I talk to you from 2000 when I just get sick or how me get sick. You understand what happened? You understand? For trigger off my head. So if you don't want here, you full up the live for me. Full up the live for me now, please and thanks. Come now, guys. Come now, man, just there 75. Full up the live here, 200 people, come on. Because since you don't want you know, sorry, I don't want to know how me get sick. Full up the live here for me. Full up the live here. Me up on my live, brother. Full up the live here for me now. Somebody pull up the live here for me. Full up the live here for me. Please and thanks. Full up the live here for me now. Anyway, guys, after I leave and come to Kingston, and I was what? 16? No, I was 12. Full up the live here for me. Full up the live here. I was 12 years old when I left St. Mary and come to town. Full up the live here if you don't want to hear a story now. Full up the live here for me. I don't look a bit of people. Full up the live here for me. Full up the live here. Full up the live here for me now. Come now, guys. Me tell you from me at 12 when I reach Olympic Weir. Chowile. Full up the live here for me, please and thanks. Hurry up. Hurry up, no man. I don't have time for wasting them. If I go get the bus and take the taxi, go down and put in my card and sit down and wait. You understand? And register for them test the sugar and my pressure and them something. You full up the live here for me, man. Can't waste your time. Full up the live here. 200. When 200 people come on, then me start tell you now. From when we reach Olympic Weir with the man 12 years old. Full up the live here for me. Come now, guys. If you don't want to hear. From I was 12. Full up the live here for me now, please and thanks. Full up the live here. Rush out on that one here. You don't have to hear. I don't have to know the truth. Then you know we stop bash me and tap tell me God church and me at this and me at that old woman stop going a dance and wind up old woman talk about people man and underneath good. Full up the live here for me. If you don't want to hear truth, talk truth. Full up the live here. Just reach 100 people. 200 people come here go talk. We go talk now. And since you don't want to hear, full up the live here. Full up the live here for me now, man. Full up the live here. Please and thanks. Full up the live here for me. Yeah. Alright, may I tell you now. When I was 12-year-old, 12, and the man take me come Tower Hill, Olympic Garden. Guys, I start get ill-treated badly by brothers and brothers and brothers. I end up get pregnant, abused, raped, molested. Full up the live for me now, please and thanks. 200 more people come on. When you read 200, me telling this story. Full up the live for me, full up the live here. No, come on, come on, come on. Alright, when we was 13 now, going up, start go school, 14, 15, get pregnant. You understand? For one of the brother, you understand, I have my daughter. End up my daughter being in the same situation like me. You understand? When she was 12, she been molested. The same man will take my maiden, take fear maiden, and not even a man or father. You want to hear the truth? And that sent me a Bellevue. You understand? And it would have sent anybody a Bellevue. Full up the live here for me. Full up the live here. Just 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more, guys. 5 minutes more, I'm gone. You understand? And from 2000, I take mental health medication. You understand? Me and me way now, I go take my injection. You understand? My doctor them now come until 9 o'clock. You understand? So I leave out 8:30. You understand? So since you don't want here, you don't hear now. You understand? So you can leave me the hell alone. Father God will make them fight me so hard. I look at things say me no coward. I look at things me trust in a God. They want me living at them mag like dog. But don't make the hobby worker them get no reward. Don't make them get no reward. Me give them me things, me watch them laugh. As like so then I use them cut them off. Don't tell them your business, then we take it go talk. And me by not this me ask. Good over evil, them can't stop me. You understand? No matter what them do to me, them can't stop me. Because you see the same man, him dead. 4 years now him dead. You understand? We take my maiden and take my daughter maiden. You understand? And it send me a Bellevue. Right now, me I got a Bellevue to take my medication. Good morning and good evening and good night, guys. My phone won't charge, in and out. Talk to you later. When I go down a Paradise Street, I do a next live. God bless you now. Good morning. Thanks.